Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this step-by-step DIY video, we are going to do another cosmetic mod on my 2022 BMW M340i. In today's video, we're going to be installing a BMW M Performance front lip on this car. It's going to really change the look of it, just a simple modification like this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this DIY started. A few things that we need to do before we put the front lip on the car, but this is a BMW M Performance front lip from BMW Parts Pro. It is a BMW product. The fit and finish is perfect. You won't have any kind of fitment issues whatsoever. What I do recommend, also add on the hardware kit, and I'll have the link in my description box below. The two pieces that actually connect to underneath the car, which comes with the plastic rivets, BMW ones. I'll show you how to put those on. So you got those. Comes with front screws to then screw it to the front of your bumper. And then it comes with the liquid adhesive, which is yet again another part that BMW sells. We'll use this so that way we have a great adhesion, everything to clean it, and your liquid adhesive. So we're going to remove the 3 screws right here. 10 millimeter. Put your fingers in there. This one's being a stubborn one over here, so you could use a tool like this. This helps just really kind of pry on fasteners, and then pull that one out. And then go ahead and take the same ones out over on the other side. Next, you want to clean all the surface all the way on the front to really help that adhesion when you put that liquid adhesive on. The hardware kit already comes with it, so we're going to put some of this on. We're going to take our piece right here. It is going to be where it goes up like this. Match it in 6 holes. There's 6 holes right in here. We're going to go ahead and match those up. Then you're going to pull out that's supplied in the hardware kit. 6 rivets. We're going to put them this way, up underneath the lip. Like that. Take your riveting tool, go up in there. There you go, you do that, breaks it right off. And it does a nice rivet right there to secure. Now I'll go through and do the rest of them here. All right, now that you have all the rivets in there, nice clean cut off stems on the back, you're gonna then do the same thing on the other side. In addition to cleaning the underside, you also wanna use that same cleaner to get where you're gonna put all that liquid adhesive at, just to make sure that your lip part is clean as well. So go through all the points of where we're gonna apply adhesive at. After you cut open the part there, put on this plastic piece, you can start seeing the adhesive come up. It is a black adhesive, so it does match the front lip. Adhesive has some short drying times. It was already drying so quickly already. Basically what I'm doing is I'm letting it fully cure as far as drying wise. And 2 jacks right here, very low pressure, it's just enough to hold it up secured, and then with the blue tape to just try to help squeeze it and hold it there. Then I had our screws right there in the front part. You now want to clean off any of the adhesive right away. There was a few spots that I missed, so I'm just trying to get that now. But it's looking pretty sweet. All right guys, well that does it for the step-by-step DIY video here today. How to install a BMW M Performance front lip on the G20 M340i. It completely changes the look, of course, versus what's stock, but let's do a little up close and personal look of it just so you guys can really see the difference here. All right, so the front lip is a gloss black one from BMW. Has, of course, BMW perfect fitment. Gives it a nice aggressive look compared to what it was stock. Doesn't affect any kind of ground clearance or anything else like that. You're most likely not going to be hitting this lip on anything. It just gives it that perfect BMW look for it. Since it is a black car, I wanted to go with the BMW M Performance one just to match the black paint, of course. First thought of doing like a CF one, but I'm not doing any other carbon fiber on the car itself, so I just wanted to stick with this and just overall have just a simple and clean front lip. That's really the motto. So anything BMW M Performance related comes at a cost more than any other like copycat company or anything else like that. So the best price that I found is through BMW Parts Pro. I'll drop their contact information in my description box below. Definitely reach out to them. All right guys, well, big thumbs up on today's step-by-step DIY. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the many other BMW M340i videos, and of course 335i videos here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll chat with you on the next DIY video. Take care.